Welcome back to the massive kitchen renovation. Today, we start.
And who's we?
Do I have helpers? No, I don't have any helpers. Employees? No way. Don't even wear gloves. I just filmed a great video for my other YouTube channel. It's called The Handyman Business. And I take you through the steps on how I estimate a 5-piece master bathroom full renovation. Check that out. It'll be linked in the description below. So this kitchen here, I gotta be honest, it's a lot to take in. It's a lot of work. It is feature packed. Just the base cabinets alone are boom amazing. The sink is ridiculous. So the upper cabinets are not that boom in your face. Lower cabinets, a little bit in your face. This wall, this was a major element. Not too bold, not too gaudy, not too whoo in your face. But it's done, and it's at a stopping point. We move on to the next major woo wow factor. I'm making a lot of weird noises. It's the ceiling. It is a stained, naughty cedar tongue and groove ceiling. Man, that's gonna be a lot going on. So this here is the materials for the next phase, which is these strips here. Each get ripped down the middle and will be furring strips or nailers. They get glued and nailed to the ceiling. It's all sealed up. Some of it's damaged. I took every package out of the rack at Home Depot, had it all out on the aisles, went through one by one to come up with 12. And these are 14 square feet each, and they cost about $21. This is my little mixing station. It's kind of a mess. Getting a little bit of paint on my welding mask. This is my spray gun. I've had really good luck with this. No, I did not stop using the Finish Max Super. This is more of a pro grade tool for fine finish work. It is overkill for this ceiling. That ceiling's going to be 8 feet high in the air, over 8 feet high in the air. This here just puts an ultra fine finish on here. First things first, I got to get this open, mixed, thinned down. First coat is a sanding sealer coat. When I sanded that, it opened up the grain, opened up the pores, and now we will seal it up with the first coat. So down at the bottom of this is going to be some goopy white stuff. That all has to get mixed up. Takes a bit. The way this works to keep the air moving out is there's a fan right there underneath this garage door blowing out. Now on the other end of the workshop, that door is also open. This door gets closed and there is a hole up here. So what happens is it sucks air in to the workshop, goes through a filter, and then brings warm air into here, and out. About 2 minutes is all it takes to clear out. All the lacquer is actually dried up and turned to a dust by then and fallen to the ground. This is the second batch here. The first batch has been sanded and is waiting to come back in. He said I'm doing 2 coats. Another question someone might have is, what do you do with the lacquer? From last night. This thing will stay full of lacquer till it's all done. Whether it's a night, 1 night, 2 nights. I've left lacquer in here for, you don't want to go too long, but nothing's going to happen to it. It's all sealed up. Get my ventilation system set up now. Don't want anybody worrying about me too much. I know the risks. This is our old school particle board. Plaster on the bottom. Here's here. See what's in there. Let it go. Got it? That's okay. That was a little more involved than I thought, but I got to clean. I'm at a cleaning phase. There is this, is it 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch? About 1/2 inch, and it's glued. This old particle board glued to the wall. My guess is they did quite a bit of electrical work in here at some point in time and had to break out, because I was wondering how the heck they got this to the panel, and they had just had this whole wall exposed. Same thing with that outlet, these outlets, all of it, and then they just went over it, and it's glued. I can see the construction adhesive over here. I'm working on the ceiling today though, so I got to get this thing figured out. This here is going to be a little bit different. The tile goes way down low. I have no idea why they tiled so low. This here will be a floor to ceiling cabinet. There'll be cabinets above, cabinets below, and a small section here that'll have a backsplash on there. But yeah, I gotta get cleaning. I don't know how this video is gonna go. This may be the end of it. And then in the next episode I'll actually get to the ceiling. But this is as real as it gets. Things take longer. You just work later and you work harder. And sometimes you gotta shut the camera off. So with that, I'm gonna get my cleaning dress on.